Come on, come on. Peace be upon you, followers of your channel. Today I have returned with a new video for you all, and I'm gonna try Canadian military meals. As you see here, I have 2 meals from the Canadian Army. Before I get into the review and experience, I sincerely thank everyone who subscribed, liked, and supported me with comments. You didn't fall short, and I'm truly grateful for your support over the past 2 days. God willing, the channel has reached 30,000, and God willing, more and more soon contribute to the video until the channel reaches the largest possible number of subscribers, because it is your channel in the end. And the more support increases, the more, God willing, I can respond to more and more military rations and make videos in larger quantities. Let me of course enter this review. Here I have 2 Canadian meals. Of course here we have the famous well-known Canadian food Poutine. I mean, like how we have the dolma leaf, for example, in Egypt, the cucumber. And here, of course, I have a second list, which is spaghetti and meatballs. I mean, the spaghetti with meatballs. Let me do an unboxing without wasting any time on the packaging. They have nothing like what I'm about to show you. The outer box is paper, and this is the front. Okay, let's start to open and see what's inside. Of course, the first thing is a hamburger bun. I mean, this is a hamburger bun. But it's just a bun, not a full burger, okay? Okay, here we go. Coffee whitener. White, like milk. I mean, put it in the coffee. Peanut butter, Sudanese fava bean butter. Salted and dried ground beef. A sandwich with a sweet filling. Rice with cheese is excellent, of course. The rice here is strange to us. I mean, a drink. Hot sauce. Here is espresso, like what came. You will see this coffee. After cleansing in this way, Jay's fork is a spoon, and it is a shuttle. Here is, of course, a case with juice, soy with it, and here are the main dishes. And this is a raisin drink, which means grape, and this is a dish, which of course means fruit. I mean, this is a peach. This is a peach in the form of a grilled skewer. Good, and this is the second main dish, spaghetti and meatballs. Spaghetti and meatballs. I mean, the meatballs are excellent, heavy. I don't feel that the meatballs are missing. Okay, this fruit, what's next? We have things here. Simple. Peach. I want a peach. And here is a thank you. And here is a celery. Strawberry, celery. And here is a cleanser. Pressure, we'll see it later, how it works. Okay, this is the first task, it's done. And now we're going to do the second task, which is... boot in this task as it came. You'll see it's very simple. You'll see, I swear. The main tasks are the most important thing because the rest can be repeated. Here, of course, is the smallest Poutine that I opened. Oh, it's heavy. Excellent. Here is the smallest pear here. There is a peach. I mean, this is something we called it in Allah pear. The pomegranate or the excellent... oh, Snickers. This is Snickers. What is this bar? Bread, tortillas. Here's a tortilla. Tortilla breads are available. Vanilla drink mixed with hot vanilla drink. And here, of course, is cheese with juice. This is fruit punch with drinks. With mixed fruits. Sudanese full cream. Raspberry jam. This, of course, is mulberry jam. Here we have a strawberry. There's mulberry. Nescafe hot sauce. Available, Spork has a Desire Cleanse. This is empty cheese, and this of course is like a shell and a mortar, and this is the cleanse that is twisted during one. Let's heat the water until it boils. I'll also heat up the breads and bring them to you quickly afterwards. Little, okay, let's cool off.
Sweets, wow.
Hello, hello. The berry we give you. Hello, we give you a loaf of a bun. And we give you jam. This is a spoon of yolk. This is a spoon of jam. Let me... open it. The second one, okay, this is of course their dessert obligation. Let me get ready for us here. I have juice. By God, of course we have this cheese mat. The juice, let me make it like them, like the soldiers. Okay, we are ready, yeah. Safety here, I've drawn a line for you. It tells you enough. See, the color is the strong factor. This is a slogan. Thank you. For you, here is a fruit punch. I mean, a fruit punch. One of them is coconut drink, and this is a fruit drink. Mixed. I will not make more than 2. The corn is too creamy. The smell is really sweet. This... it's clear this is a double sweet or what? What's going to happen if I make 2? From it, see it's color, it's nice. Okay, I made 2. Let me open this cleanser and we'll see how it works, but this is a compressed cleanser. You will see, he will tell you, leave it on for a bit. Water, leave some water on it. Okay, come on, like this. Look at the magic. What's up? You've grown up, your shadow has grown. Leave it on her. Let it become rain or moist. And something great grows. And then we open it. This is the way we open it. Good. Wipe it with what you want. A great water rose. Okay, these duties brought us a great here. Of course, we have a vanilla drink. Let's leave it. This drink is ready with vanilla here. We have hot water here. Empty Mersu, here is a fine weather. I mean, do something after enough. Replace vanilla. Hot mutas, leave it. A little, let it mix. We've prepared enough people to replace her. The arrangements are high. The candy is a must for the eye. We promised here a coffee, of course it is, and this is her property and I am going to make it a coffee. What a gallant, or okay, I am going to leave it here. They do not care about it. They do not care what is in the army, they care. I leave the coffee first thing. And this is the white one. Board. 3 time and thank you. Here we have mixed everything. Sweet, what's coming will make this gold look more and more okay. Let's get ready. We brought the main dish to open our appetites. Here, of course, if you don't eat, it tells you this is for us. The humidity here affected these breads. Thank you. Oh, and here are the Canadian boots. Of course, those living in Canada know what's coming, right? The boots are a popular food. Well known. Good void. Here, wow, the quantity is large. And here, we'll see, what's this? Its components, it is mainly chicken, potatoes, coriander sauce, and other natural ingredients. And the table, private property, Poutine. Hot sauce, yes, I use hot sauce. I will use here a little bit of sauce. Hot. And it fell, and above here I will use the cucumber. Oh, with water, okay, and here is a large amount of it, and the remaining water. This is natural. This is natural juice, and this second one I will leave it. And oh, the sweets that are the peach. Really, I forgot this beef jerky. This. Come on, let me try it. Honestly, the smell is imaginary. Come on, let me start with this. Wow. The boots. Wow, here of course I have my juices. I forgot them. This one and this. The second is very good. This is of course the most famous thing in the French cuisine, which is Poutine, which is French fries. Poutine, chicken breasts. This is the dish. Of course, I mean, I ate all of it. Bigger. Invite me to eat a little with you. Bread, our sustenance. Here is our tenderness. Poutine. Look at the bread. Look at it. Come on, come on. Take a little break. A little bit of air and relaxation. This is gonna get hot. Let's eat it. Participate in it. The channel and oh, the plate. Hot, participate in. the channel. Honestly, the taste is fabulous. Second, the Poutine has a strange taste to it. It's the first time I've eaten it. You see, this is original candy. I mean, they are locals. The food is gone. He ate with it the second loaf. Here are my leftovers and 100% normal. Leave it. Here I am, the first thing to leave it to decompose. The stuffing is overflowing in this way. Wow, hello? Lookout 10 without distraction. 10, and a little of their beloved possessions I could not take with me. The feeling is luxurious. I will find comfort in the army's enthusiasm. The Russian? Wow, good. We finished this amazing dish. And the strange thing now is my spaghetti and meatballs. Bowls. Wow, this beef jerky, oh. Yeah, smoky, a bit spicy. Spicy beer. Jerky? Yared wants you to shine for him. Okay, I left the kids bring the cup. This is your share and this is yours. Then we'll cook them well and their taste will be amazing. Honestly, music. Well participated. In my opening, welcome. The juice. It's fruit flavored, a mixed problem, and this is near. We have, this is a fox. Natural water, its taste is nothing. Sweet and our promise. Let's try our sweet oki here. This is guava. Its name is in Arabic. Sweet, oh fruit. Natural, this juice. Honestly, it's delicious. The taste is amazing. What would this meal and this beef jerky naturally take from me? Time and the importance of the relationship is not very strong. The beef jerky is okay. We finished this meal and now we come to the meal. The desserts here, we have prepared our desserts here. Of course, we have the hamburger was delicious. I swear by this. The way, do you feel this way here? Of course, yes. Your areas are the Sudanese bean, it tells you. Your soil, my sandwich with peanut butter and jelly. Put here, peanut butter, peanut butter, peanut butter. Hey. The way you grill well here, of course, we have strawberries and we have blueberry jam. I mean, not that different because the strawberries and blueberries are approximately similar. I mean, it fell. We woke up after a while. Excellent. Let's go this way. Please, go ahead. Let's try it. This coffee is ours. This thing has become, I mean, this bread, according to your taste, is amazing. Her bread, I mean, or your mind. It was a mess, but it got to her. A period, and wow, the hypocrisy. The atmosphere is great and the coffee is great, but it has become a bit strong. This is me. The vanilla, we will see the vanilla. By God, wow, what? How much do you think? I will empty it here and wow, it's thick and excellent. Honestly, its smell is very sweet, this vanilla. Let's see how thick it is, in your opinion. It tastes like ice cream with just hot water. It's something strange, wow. This thing's honestly awesome. Vanilla and especially, wow, this. The peanut butter is delicious, I must say, with all due respect to all the flavors in the world. The best meal I've ever had. Now, they're dancing with it. Tell me, is this a joke? Okay, seriously, look at this. Peaches, naturally speaking, fruit drinks, shapes, and urban products are coming to bring you joy. Beha High, like what came to see us, sneakers inside her is calm. Or the walnut. The pistachio. Participate in the channel, participate in the channel, so the universe means a second world. And the scenery is amazing. I left it. Thank you. Here, of course, the last thing we have is this tactic. Alaj means they are hot. I'll taste it. Let me see it. Yak spirit. This tactic is fast. This shape is not hot. Mint. Nothing strong here. Any cleanser. The last one. Let's do this magic. High water. The cleanser and the water. See it. It's gonna grow. Come on. Come on. Oh, this is something. Excellent. This is beautiful. Of course. Okay, and as you saw, you've reached the end of this video. I did a recap and missed the taste of food. The Canadian Army rations last for 2 days, enough for the soldier.